Glan Moor contains the secrets of nature and soil and the energy of nature. Natural ingredients and scientific recipes which exclude harmful chemicals. A natural cosmetics brand, Glan Moor. Glan Moor is a true natural cosmetic with accumulated natural ingredients and abundant know-how to protect you from excessive makeup and polluted environments. Glan Moor is an extremely safe product. The product was developed using only EWG green grade materials that are safe for the skin, and using natural ingredients making it safe and effective. Glan Moor is a proven product. It acquired both Chinese and European sanitary licenses. Glan Moor's foam cleanser contains all the effects of scrubbing, facial masks, and cleansing. It contains natural pozzolans, charcoal powder, and natural green tea leaves, so it works well on skin pores and scrubs without irritation. Glan Moor's cleansing water contains zeolite, which has superior cleansing functions, as well as natural beta-glucans that are quickly absorbed into the skin, eliminating fine dust, waste matter, and makeup in the pores without irritation. Glan Moor's Pore Tightening Pack is a product that cleans and shrinks pores, making your skin clear and tight. As the mask pack dries, pozzolan anions provide far-infrared rays to the dermal layer to activate skin cells, and the coolness caused by the menthol component helps the pore constriction of the epidermis. Glan Moor's Fine Dust Removal Pack allows the porous zeolite to absorb and remove waste matter, fine dust, and harmful bacteria in the pores. Also, by causing skin antibacterial action, it performs pore detox and acne, moisturizing and nourishing your skin through key natural ingredients. Glan Moor, a charming, magical natural makeup.